Hey everybody, today I have a customer's 1959 Oldsmobile Super 88. This car is a true survivor. The car is absolutely beautiful. I don't know how many miles are on the car, but this is a California car. There's not a bit of rust on it. I do believe it mostly has its original paint on it. Yeah, just look at this tail fins and those beautiful tail lights. What a beautiful car. Even the interior is absolutely gorgeous. A little wear here. Let's take a look and see. It says it's got 49,666. I do believe this car only has 49,000 original miles. Look at the beautiful rear seat and interior. This car is absolutely beautiful. Well, anyway, it's been in storage for a while and the brakes didn't work, so we brought it in to get the brakes working, and it has some wheel cylinders locked up. So I couldn't find any wheel cylinders for it. So he says, oh, I got some. So I want to show you the wheel cylinders that he brought in. Here are some Delco Moran wheel cylinders, copyright 1960 General Motors. I don't know if you can see that or not. They're in these metal tin containers. He's got two of them. Check that out. And it's got like a sticker on the back to where it looks like he maybe bought them at like Carlisle, Pennsylvania or something. And then he also brought in some Bendix ones, new old stock Bendix. But I just thought it was really cool about these Delco wheel cylinders in these little tin boxes. And how you get into them is you pull this string and it opens it up so you can open up the containers. I really hate to open up these containers, but he wants me to use the original parts on this car, so that's what I'm going to do. All right, everybody, just a really quick one. Thought you might like to see this beautiful Oldsmobile. So anyway, everybody, these are the wheel cylinders that this guy got for this 59 Oldsmobile. They are in like this tin case, and he wants me to use them, so we are going to do an unboxing that says copyright 1960 General Motors Corporation. So this thing has been hanging around since the 60s. It's a 59 Oldsmobile Super 88. So he wants me to use these wheel cylinders. So you have a string here, so you pull the string and it cuts the paper, and now we should be able to lift the top off. So here's the top. Here is a wheel cylinder that's been sitting in a box since 1960. It's a little rusty. Hopefully the pistons aren't frozen. Look, it even has a screw-in metal plug, where the new ones today that you buy has they have a rubber plug. I'm not sure if this is the right one for this car or not, but it does. I think it. I can't tell yet. I'll have to go back out to the car and look. Let's see if the pistons are not frozen. Nope, that one's free. And that one's free. So this is a perfectly good wheel cylinder that we're going to put in this Oldsmobile. All right, everybody, I just want to do an unboxing of a, it's 1960, it's 2021. So that's 40, 50, 60, 61 years in a box. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.